हेलो एवरीबॉडी, इट्स अ क्विक इंट्रो फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। मेरे चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। ये मेरा लिटरली 7वां या 8वां अटेम्प्ट है व्लॉग बनाने का व्हेन आई एम लाइक गोइंग टू द शूट। सो आई बेसिकली नाउ आई एम गेटिंग रेडी फॉर द शूट। आई जस्ट टुक शावर। आई ऑलवेज टेक शावर बिफोर गोइंग फॉर द शूट बिकॉज यू नो इट जस्ट मेक्स योर स्किन look really better, your hair look better and everything. You know, I've been trying to do this for a very long time now, and if you're watching this, maybe I succeeded. If you don't watch it, then it will go into trash can just like the other videos. So yeah, let's just get ready quickly. I just literally have like half an hour to get ready. This is what I'm wearing. Like, I will take a all white look today. I'm just looking for a belt, and I won't do like a lot of makeup because you know, when you're going for a shoot, you already have a makeup artist over there who's going to do your makeup. So it's better that you don't apply anything on your face. I just take my you know, what do you call it, like primer and all of that shit along with me, so that you know, when I am applying the makeup, it doesn't fuck up my face. I just applied some toner and now I'm just gonna get my cream, and this is like Nivea soft moisturizing cream. It's really good. This is the one that I use. It gives like really good moisturizer, like moisturize my skin really well. For me, it's like a favorite thing. So this is my bag. It's like my go-to bag, guys. Like, you know, I carry it whenever I'm going to a shoot. This is like also an essential. You know, it can carry everything I want it to carry, literally, because it's like, it's very spacious. These are my heels. I have already shown you guys. If you want to see them, you can just, okay, sorry, I'll just show you guys. So these are my Steve Madden heels. I love them like anything. So I'm carrying my sunscreen, my primer. I use the primer from the inside. It's very good. You should also try it if your like skin is really prone to acne and all that shit. Also, this again, the Pond's cream that I use. And I'm also carrying a serum because my hairs are like really tiny. So I'm gonna dry so that you know they will fuck up eventually. So that's it. I am just gonna put a water bottle, and then maybe that's it. Like, I won't carry a lot of things because it's just nearby. It's my friend's shoot, so I'm shooting for her thrift store. It's called Vintage Gear, and it's a collaboration, and she's a good friend, so like, you know, we're just gonna shoot together. I'm really excited about it because, you know, she always come up with like really innovative ideas and all of that. Her shoot style is like really cool, subtle, and like, you know, I really like the kind of a vibe she tries to create with her shoot. So that's the reason why I said yes to her. So yeah, now I'll see you guys on the set. I am just gonna have my lunch like really quickly, then I'm gonna drive back to her shoot location, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit over there. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh my god. Fuck. मेरी उंगली इसके अंदर आ गई. Fuck, it hurts so bad. I really don't get the point of having music in the lift. I mean, what is it for? Like, I mean, is it supposed to make us horny? And by the way, it's always like very seductive music. Like, what all do you guys think about this music? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm just trying to be more interactive with you all. In case you forgot, it's Manshi Rajput channel you're watching, and I'm at my shoot location already. So, like, I'll show you how it is, like everything.
But please, thanks for the collection.
But it becomes very tough to, like, you know, go on a set and then keep talking to yourself.
Yeah, talk
the hardest part. I mean, I don't find it like really bad or like tough when I'm like doing it in my room. Like I am all confident about doing it. I don't get nervous or scared. But when I'm out, like I really like I'm like all chill mood. Like कोई shoot का mood है?
हाँ शूट करना पड़ेगा गर्मी फिर आपको ज़्यादा लगेगी
Full mood है ना?
हाँ फुल आप 1 किलोमीटर में घूमने लगा
It's really windy today. Yesterday it was not so windy. Actually wind में एक होता है ना फिर वो हिलने लगता है. Then you guys got this mounted over here as well so that you can be shooting here. Yeah, we got it here. नीचे वाले दो रूम में तो जहाँ भी सनलाइट हो
राजू को मेरे को पकड़ो पड़ता
या
हाँ हटे हटे खींच लो
विशाल कह रहा है
450 आउट
बट ये जो चार्ट पेपर होता है इससे लाइक बेटर देन द क्लॉथ थिंग
ये जो एक प्रोफेशनल लुक देता है ना क्लॉथ में रिंकल्स आ जाते हैं
बट यार ये गंदा हो गया तो अब इसमें क्या करें यार
गंदा तो होता है थोड़ा
वो
सा
गंदा तो होता है क्लॉथ का ये हो जाता है ना कि यू कैन लाइक वॉश इट एंड मुझे थोड़ा ही चाहिए
I'm taking 2 pictures right now. Close up. क्या हुआ? नहीं मैं फुल Turn right. You can open the jacket. Back shots.
Hello, so that's it for my today's video. I hope it's been a very entertaining, interesting vlog for all of you. And more than that, I wanted to record it so that I can take you on the backstage and you can sort of see how the entire thing works. And yeah, that's it. I didn't have any other motto. I know there's like a lot of things I missed upon, and like I forgot to record the intro once I got back home. So I literally am making it right now, and I just started like editing the video, and I thought of realized the need of having a end video to like end the vlog properly in a manner. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. If you have any sort of suggestion, anything for me, please let me know in the comment section below, and just press that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, do that. It's for free and it would mean a lot to me. And I just wanted to upload something for all of you so that you guys just don't forget about me, don't forget that I exist. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do the things that I asked you for. So yeah, with that I will take a leave now. So bye guys, take care, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video as well. Bye.